Welcome to your Employee Benefits Overview video provided by 208 Benefits. The information provided in this video is to help you understand your benefit options, pricing, how to complete your benefit elections prior to your open enrollment or new hire completion deadline. Please watch or share this video with anyone that helps you make your employee benefit decisions for you and your family. You can refer back to this video anytime during the benefit plan year. First, let's review your benefits and then walk you through the features of your benefit information website. NEMO ARMS Employee Benefits Overview is for benefits that begin November 1st, 2022 through October 31st, 2023. Your benefits include medical insurance, comprehensive telehealth and prescription savings plan, disability and life insurance, accident and major illness insurance, dental and vision insurance. First, let's go over a few different items for medical insurance terminology. Basically, some terms that we all should know when we're accessing our medical care. Copay. All the plans that NEMO ARMS has are copay-based plans, meaning that when you see a doctor or purchase a prescription medication, you're going to pay a small fixed dollar amount for that service. And you will not get billed anything additional for those services beyond the copay for just those doctor's visits and medication purchases. Deductible. So deductible is the amount that a plan member is responsible for eligible medical services before the health insurance begins to pay a portion of costs, such as emergency room visits, diagnostic exams, hospitalization, surgeries. Once a member has met their deductible, then the next part of the coinsurance coverage for your medical insurance is coinsurance. And that's the percentage of eligible medical expenses that is shared between the plan member and the insurer. Now, coinsurance does not go on indefinitely. It does have a maximum, and that is going to be referred to as the out-of-pocket limit or out-of-pocket maximum. And that is the max that a member is responsible for in a calendar year for eligible medical and services. And this does include the deductible, copays paid after the deductible, and the coinsurance amount. Preventive exams. All plans that we will review today include preventive examinations. These are otherwise known as wellness exams. They are no cost to you for specific preventive medical exams. So there's no copays, there's no deductibles, no coinsurance applies. So this can include your annual physical, mammograms, pap smears, blood screening, immunizations, plus more. Just refer to your plan summary for further details on all your eligible preventive examinations. Select Health is your medical insurer. And these are the 4 plans available to NEMO ARM employees for this benefit plan year. So you'll see here that we're illustrating the network that is provided. All networks will be the St. Luke's Health Partners. The deductible range that goes from the high deductible down to a lower deductible. The coinsurance amount, the calendar year out-of-pocket maximum or limit that we referred to earlier, and then your copays for your primary doctor's visit, for your mental health and chiropractic visits as an example, and then prescription coverage. You'll notice on the prescription coverage, you will see copays on plans 2 through 4 for generic and preferred brand, and then you'll also see a deductible underneath these plans as well. This deductible only applies to non-preferred generic, non-preferred brand, and specialty drugs. So if you're only using preferred and generic and brand, you will not have to pay the copay and the deductible for those specific prescriptions. Go ahead and pause the screen at any time to review these plans further. The full summaries are on the benefit website that we'll show you here shortly. As part of your Select Health medical plan, you do have access to what is called Employee Assistance Program, or EAP. And basically it is no cost, confidential, short-term counseling to employees and their families. So it could look like things such as Counseling sessions offered in person, virtually, or over the phone for anybody who is an adult on the plan, but also children's age 6 to 26. Crisis response, legal and financial assistance are all part of the Employee Assistance Program. Additionally, Select Health members do get to take advantage of member wellness incentives or rewards. So these can be things such as reimbursement for gym membership or physical activity award using a fitness-based watch and or your gym membership to one of your local gyms. There is also the opportunity to access at no cost Pivot Lifestyle and Fitness Centers that are located in both Boise and Meridian. So moving forward to the next benefit. Now your medical insurance is there to help you access in-person doctors, hospitals, facilities. This benefit here is a comprehensive benefit that helps you be able to access physicians, nutritionists, counselors, dermatologists, etc. 24/7 every day of the week. And therefore it makes it life easier for you when needing to access care, but will also show it makes you life a little bit easier for you, lowering the cost to access care as well. So we want to help you take control of your health with free doctor's visits 24/7 at home and on the go. So that helps you talk to a doctor. So for conditions like the flu, bronchitis, allergies, sore throat, minor injuries, etc., you can be able to utilize the app and not have to waste time driving to the doctor, sitting in the exam room, sitting in the waiting room, and then having to pay co-pays or potentially additional for additional services. You can get specialist medical advice, receive a second opinion on existing diagnosis and treatment for more serious types of conditions. Neck and back care. You can work with a certified health coach to relieve your neck, back, and pain issues through guided videos and chat support. Relief from skin issues. Connect with a dermatologist for a number of dermatology issues simply by uploading some of the images and answering questions on the app and then connecting to the dermatologist. Nutrition works very similar, where you can connect to a registered dietitian so that it can help you do some diet planning and some meal managements for any kind of health condition, or even if you don't have health conditions, you can take advantage of this benefit. Last but not least is confidential counseling. This is 7 days a week. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and you need help with specific behavioral mental health issues, you can choose from a list of licensed therapists who best fit your needs and personality type, and then also conveniently schedule your counseling sessions week to week so that you can access them by phone or video chat. So the telehealth helps you take care of a lot of different healthcare needs, but the great thing about it is, one, is through the connection of your smartphone. You can do it at home, you can do it in your break time, when you're on vacation, etc. But you pay zero for all the services that are provided. So that's an excellent benefit to have as a partner to your medical insurance, which is there to take care of a lot of your in-person visits and needs. So to also help you save money, save time, we want to also make sure that you're not overpaying for prescriptions. So our partner CleverRx helps us help you not overpay for prescriptions. So download the CleverRx mobile app to unlock the exclusive savings, enter the group and member ID number, and then we can help you save money, such as paying less than $10 a month for generic prescriptions, etc. So simply type or speak your name into the app. It's going to pull up a pharmacy list of the pharmacies nearest you, identify the savings, and then you simply select the pharmacy of choice, whether it's the one that's most convenient, the best savings, or your preferred pharmacy, and then select that voucher, present it to your pharmacy clerk. If you're doing this for a spouse or a adult age child, you can also text the voucher over directly to them, and they can pick that up and save those dollars as well. Okay, so moving forward with some additional benefits that you have as part of your comprehensive benefits package. Short-term disability. This is your paycheck protection. We want to make sure that you are able to receive a portion of your income if you're unable to work because you got hurt off the job or there's an illness or even a maternity event. So enrolling in short-term disability provides you a weekly income benefit that helps you and your family meet your everyday living needs as well as your monthly bills. So the brief benefit summary is as follows. Technically, the income benefit is 60% of your gross income paid to you again in a weekly benefit. In real life, that's about 82% for the standard employee of their usual take-home pay, which would be your net income. So that's really how the benefit is being able to help you. Approximately 80% of what you normally take home, this policy is replacing so that you can take care of your everyday needs and also your monthly obligations. Bills come due every 30 days regardless of whether we're working or not. So just some other key pieces to the policy that you need to know of. There is a benefit deductible. It's 14 calendar days, and that starts from the date that your physician states that you have a disability that you should not return to work for a while. The benefit duration for off-the-job injury and illnesses is 24 weeks per disability event. The benefit duration for maternity is 4 weeks for normal delivery, 6 weeks for cesarean section. When you're in the enrollment platform, you will see the benefit. You will see the drop-down menu, which will identify your specific weekly benefit. So please do take note of that. You can log back in any time to see that, but that'll help you hopefully make some of your other financial planning to make sure that you have the monies you need if something were to occur in addition to your short-term disability benefit. The next benefit is life insurance benefit. NEMO Arms provides every full-time employee a life insurance benefit of $25,000. This is paid to your beneficiaries in the event of a death while employed while with the company. The only thing that you have to do on this benefit is simply make sure you update your beneficiaries in the enrollment platform. And you can update those beneficiaries at any time. The next important benefit that's also provided by NEMO Arms for every employee is identity protection. This is a comprehensive identity protection benefit through Norton LifeLock. It has your online account monitoring, your LifeLock identity alert system, dark web monitoring, 24/7 live member support. You've got the $1 million protection package that's going to provide you $1 million worth of services to reimburse for stolen funds, cover personal expenses, as well as coverage for the lawyers and the experts needed to help resolve your case. There are a number of other specific benefits that you can utilize within the platform, including, checking and savings account application alerts, credit monitoring, credit scores, lost wallet protection, plus the Norton features, which are features for your devices, your smartphones, your tablets, your home laptops, computers. You can take advantage of parental controls, safe cam, smart firewalls, password management. There's even a new online VPN setup so that you can also protect people from seeing what you're looking at while you're just doing the usual internet surfing at your home or on your personal devices. The accident benefit is the next benefit in the comprehensive plan lineup. An accident benefit is an insurance that actually pays that fixed dollar amounts for the diagnosis of a specific injury experienced by you or anybody else covered on your policy. So benefits that you receive from this particular policy do not impact the benefits that you would receive from other policies such as your medical insurance, auto, homeowners, etc. So we want to give you a couple of examples of how this accident policy helps you. So we have two different types of injuries. One is an upper body injury, such as a arm fracture. The second is a lower body injury, such as a leg fracture. And if you had to have a surgical repair of that fracture, if it's an upper extremity, that's going to be a $3,000 benefit payable to you. If it's a lower leg, or lower extremity, it's a $5,000 benefit payable to you if it has surgical repair. Now, if it doesn't require surgical repair, there's still benefits payable, still sizable benefits that are going to be a good amount of money to put in your pocket to help you offset your medical expenses and keep money in the bank for your everyday living needs. This gives you an additional information. It's kind of a snapshot of your benefit summary that's on the benefit information website. Major illness benefit. Now, this benefit is very much like the accident policy we just reviewed. However, its purpose is to pay a fixed benefit amount for the diagnosis of specific serious illness, either experienced by you or anybody covered in your policy. So again, the benefits are payable regardless of the other insurance, including your medical. So what does it cover? Big events such as a heart attack, invasive cancer, stroke, and a list of other types of critical or major illnesses that someone may suffer, that you're going to need these additional funds to help you offset your deductibles, your co-insurance, as well as your everyday living financial needs. So how does it work? Well, the base benefit amount is $5,000. So that's the lowest amount that you can elect as an employee. However, you can increase that to $10,000 or $15,000. You can add your spouse. Your spouse's benefit is 50% of the employee coverage amount. So if you elected $10,000, your spouse would be covered at $5,000. You can add your kids, and they receive a 25% benefit of the employee coverage amount. So if you elected $10,000, they would receive $2,500, or you would receive that if one of these illnesses occurred for them. The great thing about the policy, it costs nothing to add kids, so please do yourself that financial favor. Add your kids onto it when you're in the platform, and in case something happens, you're going to have additional financial support. Term life insurance benefit. So the employer provides a life insurance benefit for you while you're employed with the company. And that is a minimum benefit of only $25,000. So your employer also gives you the opportunity to purchase additional term life coverage through payroll deduction, through a simplified enrollment process to help make it easy for you. So employees can choose up to $100,000 in coverage for themselves. Spouse, you can choose up to $25,000, and children, a $10,000 benefit per child. Same cost, doesn't matter whether you have one child or 10 children. So the only thing to note is that the employee must elect a minimum amount of coverage to make sure that they can add their spouse or kids onto coverage. So when you're in the enrollment platform, you'll see this screen here when you're going through electing your benefits, and you're simply going to use the drop-down menu, select the coverage amount that you may be interested or you want, and then it'll simply tell you on the right-hand side in your shopping cart what the cost is per paycheck to add that benefit. Some additional benefit details. The life insurance is a guaranteed approval if you're a new eligible employee. If you're a previously eligible employee that waived coverage or only purchased a smaller amount of coverage and you want to get new coverage or add on to the additional coverage, you will just simply have to fill out what we call a health statement. Just a few questions about your current health so that way that can be underwritten and approved for you. Just also do note that these are 5-year age band policies, meaning that when you hit a new 5-year age band, your premium will increase slightly to accommodate that new age band or bracket that you are in. So we just want to make sure people are aware of that as they consider this option. And also you do have the opportunity to convert or to port this policy into an individual policy at the time of your retirement, or if you do change employer. So many of these benefits, the accident, the term life, the critical illness, major illness plan, those are all benefits that you can keep if you retire or change employers. Dental and vision are the last two policies that we'll review in this benefit overview. Your benefit summary for your dental plan provides you a calendar year benefit of $1,500 per member enrolled. For preventive services, you pay nothing. It's covered 100% when you're using in-network providers. That is going to include your routine exam, your cleanings, your x-rays. There's an annual deductible that is applied to basic and major services only, not applied to preventive. It's $50 per member, maximum $150 per family. Basic services, the policy is covering 90% of basic services, which includes your fillings, your root canals, extractions, and 60% of your major services, including crowns, bridges, and dentures. Just note that the $1,500 is your annual calendar year benefit maximum, and these are all pulling from that dollar amount as you receive services. Principal is your vision insurance provider as well, utilizing the VSP network. Your exams are a $10 copay. Your eyeglass lenses are a $25 copay. You can enhance these lenses with the add-ons such as scratch-resistant coating, reflective coatings, tintings, etc., all for low copays as well. Your frames provide you a $130 allowance, and contact lenses are also a $130 allowance. Just note that these benefits are eligible to you on your own anniversary year, meaning the date of your initial access. So if you are an employee that's going to be enrolling, say, June 1st in a year, and you enroll in vision and you use your vision plan for the first time in August, you will be able to use your vision plan again and get these same benefits across the board the following year in August. So please note that it is based on your access date, but you can get new exam, lenses, and frames every 12 months. The other last thing to note on vision is that eyeglass lenses and contact lenses are what we call in lieu of benefits, meaning that your policy does not cover eyeglass lenses and contact lenses in the same benefit period. It's an either or. So just work with your vision provider to make sure that you're utilizing your vision plan to the best of its ability to help you lower the cost for your services and materials. So that wraps up talking about the benefits specifically. Again, it is a comprehensive benefit package, very generous to have all these benefits available for you. So now we just want to go over the next steps. So the first step would be review these benefits in depth more, utilizing the benefit information website. So as you see here in your benefit information website, that you'll see your benefit tiles. So this is going to show you your medical, your telehealth, disability, accident, your dental, vision. These are all interactive tiles. So if you want to look at the benefits more deeply, you'll see your member guide, the benefit summaries to each of the policies offered, the find a doctor link, cost estimator video, and the download for the mobile apps. You can watch a video here that shows you how to interact with Select Health from their online and mobile platforms. Your group number is right here. This helps you just in case you showed up to the doctor's office, forgot your member ID card. You can provide the group number and your information, and they'll be able to verify coverage. As well as having the Android or the iPhone app is really helpful because your member ID card's right on those apps as well. When you're looking for your dentist, you can go do the same route. You can watch a video. Here's your group number, the benefit summary. Click a provider. Hey, I need to find my dentist. So you simply click on here, follow the prompts. We're going to use the Nampa zip code to find all the dentists that are within a 10-mile radius of that zip code. We click search and it's going to pull up showing that there's 500 plus in-network dentists available in that 10-mile radius. All of that benefit information is there for you. Your benefit pricing is right here, basically showing you what your cost is per paycheck to have each plan in place for you and or anybody that's enrolled in your family. So you see here all of your benefits listed for you, easily able to see what your cost is depending upon the plan that you've elected. Now when you're ready to enroll in benefits, you can watch the enrollment experience video and you can walk through that video to make sure that you understand how to enroll. It's very simple. But if you're new to this type of technology, haven't done an online enrollment before, it's pretty helpful to see how it works and then to go click the Benefit Enrollment Center when you're ready to enroll. Now, this is a protected website, so you do have to log in using your credentials. Your username will be your email address. Make sure you chat with your HR provider to make sure that your email address is the same in the platform as what we have for you, so that you can access easy. If you are logging back in, you forgot your password, or if you're new and you haven't created a password, same procedure for everyone. Click Forgot, enter your email address here, and it'll send you an email with the Create a Password link, and you'll be able to log in from there. So now that you've reviewed your benefits on the benefit information website, contact us with any questions regarding your benefits, advice, or how-tos, and then again, complete your online benefit elections. Your enrollment deadline. So your enrollment deadline will be the 15th of the month prior to your benefit eligible date. Please contact your employer for your benefit eligible date. It is the first of the month after 60 days from date of hire, but we want to make sure that you recognize what that date is so that you can complete that on time so that we can submit the information to the insurers for you. Thank you, NEMO Arms. We are happy to provide these benefits for you, and we look forward to helping you take advantage of the great benefits offered, and we look forward to helping you down the road. Thank you.